Alright, this is June 2019, question number 7. So 7a says, the nth term Tn of a sequence is given by Tn is equal to 3n squared minus 1. Show that the first term of the sequence is 1. Alright, so the general term Tn is equal to 3n squared minus 1. Alright, so n is the term number. So when n is 1, we have the first term. So wherever we say n, we're going to take out n and put 1. So this is 3 times 1 squared minus 1. 1 squared is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. So this is 3. Alright, sorry, there's a slight error. This should actually be 2 and not 1. So this is 2 here and 2 here. So this is 3 minus 2. So T1, which is the first term, is equal to 1. Alright, so we're able to do that successfully. The second part of the question says, what is the third term of a sequence? So the third term is when n is 3. So this is 3 is equal to 3 times 3 squared minus 2. 3 squared is 9. So this is 3 times 9 minus 2. This is 27 minus 2, which is 25. So the third term in the sequence is 25. Next, we're told, given that the nth term is equal to 145, we're asked to find what is the value of n. So the nth term, which is Tn is the nth term, and it is 3n squared minus 2 is equal to 145. So let's find out what is the value of n. So therefore 3n squared is equal to 145 plus 2. So 3n squared is equal to 147. Divide both sides by 3. And we're going to have n squared is equal to 49. The opposite of square is square root. So therefore n is equal to the square root of 49. So n is equal to 7. So if the nth term is equal to 145, n is equal to 7. Alright, let's go to the next part of the question. Alright, so here we're told that the first eighth term of another sequence with the nth term un with the nth term un are, so these are the first 8 terms. Alright, so the first term is 1, the second term is 1, the third term is 2, the fourth term is 3, fifth term is what? 5, the eighth term is 21. Here's what we're asked to do. So the first term is 1, the second term is 1, and the nth term is equal to the nth minus 1 term plus the nth minus 2 term, and this is starting from n is equal to greater than or equal to 3. From n is greater than or equal to 3. For example, the fifth and sixth terms are u5 is equal to u4 plus u3, which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. The seventh term is the sixth term plus the fifth term, which is 8, plus 5, which is equal to 13. So here's what we're asked to do. We're asked to write down the next two terms in the sequence, that is the ninth term and the 10th term. So the ninth term, first of all, un is equal to un minus 1 plus un minus 2. So the ninth term, u9, would be equal to u8 plus u7. Alright, so u8, we already know from this was given initially, is 21, and u7, it's up there as well, is 13. So the ninth term is 24. The 10th term, u10, so u10 would be equal to u9 plus u8. Alright, and so u10 would be equal to 34, which is u9, and u8, which is 21. So this is equal to 55. Alright, let's go to the next part of the question. So it says, what term in the sequence is the sum? What term is the sum of the 18th and the 19th term? What term is the sum of the 18th and the 19th term? Alright, so I don't know what the term is, so let's say it's u what? ux, it's the x term, is equal to the 19th, the sum of the 19th and the what? 18th term. Alright, so, but this is un is equal to un minus 1 plus un minus 2. So therefore, x minus 1 would be equal to 19. So therefore, let's change, well, let's keep it as x. The x term is equal to 19 plus 1, which is what? 20th. So it is the 20th term which is the sum of the 19th and the 18th term. Last part of the question. In the last part of the question, we are told, we're asked to show that u20 minus u19 is equal to u19 minus u17. Alright? So, first of all, u20 would be equal to u19 plus u18. So u20 minus u19 would be equal to u18. U19 would be equal to u18 plus u17. So u19 minus u17 would be equal to u18. Alright, so both of these, that is this here and this here, they are both equal to u18, the 18th term. So therefore u20 minus u19, which is u18, is equal to u19 minus u17. Alright, and that's the end of the question.